Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this looks like a big WXY. I still think this looks like a big ABC of wave Y, just like the wave W was three waves and the wave X was three waves. I believe the wave W needs to make three waves up, most likely eventually take out these highs and end up all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is actually a wave 1 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. I still think this move down is a crutch into that move up like a wave 2, and I still think at some point this is going to go up and complete this trend, which should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5, which like I said, it should be a wave C, because a wave C of wave Y should be a 5-wave trend. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it did kind of look like we already have a complete trend, a correction, and another complete trend, completing this ABC. We have a nice break of structure to the upside, so I think there is a pretty good chance this is going to make a higher low, and I still think there's a pretty good likelihood that this is going to continue up. Most likely, we have a 1, a 2, and a wave 3 of wave 3, because this should be a big wave 1, this should be a big wave 2, and this would be a subdivision 1, 2, and 3 of 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, this right here is very clearly an uptrend. Most likely it is a 1. Now this move down looks like a trend also, so that's probably an A. This is probably three waves up for a B. This move down is most likely a wave C. Hopefully it's all an ABC of 2. We are right at the 78.6, so if it respects this level, turns into a big engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would take it as a long for the continuation of this uptrend, hopefully a big wave 3. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it is definitely turning up pretty strong. It kind of looks like it almost needs to make like that 4-5 before it actually does turn up. But really, if this does continue up like that, and especially if it makes like a higher low, especially if it makes that higher low, I would for sure take it as a long, because we are expecting that this is a big corrective wave 2 on this longer time frames. And if it is ending a trend for the wave C, then that's going to be the beginning of a wave 3, and that's going to be a really good long opportunity for us to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.